Cascada roof. There is a slight problem with the roof. When the roof is down, the covers on the side are sometimes missing. This is because the arms which hold them sometimes break, like this. But you can't buy the arms themselves, you had to buy the whole mechanism for about 500 euros. Until now, I redesigned the arms and 3D printed them. So, if your Opel, Holden, Vauxhall or Buick Cascada has a broken cover because of a broken arm, I can help you. You can order this from me through eBay. You will get a pair. You will receive it with the screws here and here and with the rubber stopper thingy. I also redesigned that one. And you will receive a pair. It's written left and right on it, so you don't mix them. Right, left. What you will need from the original arm? The spring and the gear which goes here. Also the little metal plate which goes here. This gives the position of the cover to the computer of the car. This thing is already in a car and it's been intensively tested, so it works perfectly. It's even stronger than the original one because I made some little changes to make it stronger. If you have any questions, I'm here, you can ask me on eBay or in the comments. If you have a repair shop and you want to order multiple places, you will get a serious discount. Before anyone asks, I'm not sharing the 3D model. Check the eBay listing and order it now. Thanks, bye!